The Crawford Sheraton House, also known as the Carriage House, built in 1937 in the Colonial Revival style. This brick dwelling, painted white and featuring a Federal-style doorway, was built in 1937 as a garage and party house for the Crawford family, who resided at 109 West 12th Street. A connecting gate joined the two properties to the right of the present driveway. In its early years, the second floor was one large room over the garage, which was used for social gatherings. During the years of World War II, the second floor was used for home nursing courses taught by the local branch of the Red Cross. In 1946, the second floor was remodeled as an apartment where several local young families resided over the years. The building now contains a large first-floor den with an entrance to the garage. The stairway from the den leads to a lovely second-floor apartment. It contains a living room, kitchen, 2 bedrooms, and a bathroom. The Carriage House serves as a reminder of enjoyable pastimes in the Julia Ann Square Historic District.